Greetings, this is Ojambo. Ojambo.com has an article about a jQuery scrolling from the top to the bottom. The link is www.ojambo.com/jQuery-scroll-top-bottom. The sponsor for this video is Ojamboshop.com. Ojambo.com has templates for OS Commerce, Magento, PrestaShop, ZenCart, and other popular content management systems. In order to follow the story, the following tools are required: HTML, CSS, and jQuery. Once again, you can download jQuery from their website. I downloaded the most recent version for this series, which is the 1.7 series, but the older versions will work just as fine. So we'll load up Guinea. Okay, and create a new file. Just call it, get the proper folder, as to call it jQuery top-bottom scroll. Okay, and now just Ojambo.com title, scroll from top to bottom. Put a couple of classes here as a container, a div. Inside that div, have the content, which will be bigger than the container, so that way the scroll bars appear. And I create a bunch of link tags here. So scroll that way. There could be buttons for scrolling, so you can use this method to create a gallery, scrolling gallery. It can be automatic, or in this case it's just going to be manual. So next we create our CSS in document style sheet. So we target the container. Let's give it a green color so you're able to see it. Position relative is not really needed unless you're doing something with JavaScript later on, especially creating galleries. Okay, then we target the content itself. Remember, we're going to make it much bigger. The width and height is going to be much bigger than its parent. This way the scroll bars appear. Okay, now we use our jQuery we downloaded library. The source is local because just downloading the same folder. So just put in the name. And the name, let's take our folder, is just jQuery-1.7.min.js. Okay, now make sure the DOM is ready. And we're going to run some functions. So we're going to target the top first. When it's clicked, we're going to run a bunch of functions. The most one is going to be basically just the scroll function. We use animated, so that way we can give it a time. So we want to scroll top, right to the top. That's why we put 0. And that's the time, 2.5 seconds or 2500 milliseconds. Return false. And we'll comment here, and then we just copy paste. And the bottom part, so bottom we need to have the height of our content. So just create a variable, call it pheight, and I will get the content height, which is another jQuery function, and then I'll use that to get to the height. And just need to close off the when DOM is ready. Now we can run it in Firefox or Chrome or whatever your favorite browser is. i.e. oh, a mistake there, should be a paragraph, not a div. So everything else is okay. As you can see, now the scroll bars are there. Now if we click the buttons, link functions, they work beautifully. Remember to visit the tutorial sponsor, Ojambo Shop, for templates for your favorite CMS system, WordPress, ZenCart, Drupal, Joomla. A tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.